Well, while we are in this dire situation with rising number of COVID cases each day and acute supply of oxygen, and patients are really struggling to get oxygen, hospitals are putting out SOS tweets saying that oxygen supply is going to run out. A lot of India Inc. companies as well as US tech giants have said that they will pitch in to not only supply oxygen but also to help with importing required oxygen facilities as well as equipment that will be required, and also transporting it to different parts of the country. A lot of people have raised the issue of a lack of containers to supply oxygen, trucks to supply oxygen across the country. But what exactly has been announced by India Inc? Let's take a look at what has come in until now. Now, Tata Group has said that they are importing 24 cryogenic containers to transport liquid oxygen. ITC has said that they're air freighting 24 cryogenic containers as well, and this is in collaboration with Linde India. And their paper unit in Bhadrachalam has commenced oxygen supply to neighboring areas as well. Now, Gautam Adani has tweeted that they are securing 5,000 medical grade oxygen cylinders from Linde, Saudi Arabia. And they said that they have shipped 4 ISO cryogenic tanks with 80 tons of LMO from Dammam to Mundra already. Not just that, in the Kutch district of Gujarat, the company is filling and supplying 1,500 oxygen cylinders daily within the district of Kutch in Gujarat. Paytm and Zomato are also looking to raise funds to arrange and provide oxygen concentrators. Zomato has tied up with Delivery for the same so that oxygen concentrators can reach hospitals as well as families. That is what Zomato has said. Now, in terms of medical facilities as well, Reliance Foundation announced today that they will be handling a total of 875 beds across Mumbai, and they will be taking over the National Sports Club of India in Worli in Mumbai, where they will be setting up a 650-bed COVID-19 care facility. All the patients will be treated free of cost over there. They will also be ensuring that a team of more than 500 frontline workers will be deployed over there. And the facility, they will take over the NSCI facility on 1st of May. It will be available to people starting 15th of May in phases. There's also a 100-bed facility being set up at Trident Hotel for asymptomatic patients. They have increased the capacity of beds at Seven Hills Hospital as well. And this will also add in terms of the ICU, number of ICU beds that will be there. So a total of 100 ICU beds are going to be created by Reliance Foundation, which will be an addition over the existing beds. Now, US tech giants have also pitched in. Amazon has said that they will be airlifting 8,000 oxygen concentrators and 500 BiPAP machines from Singapore. Amazon India will secure over 1,500 concentrators and other equipment as well. Satya Nadella has said that Microsoft will continue to use its resources and technology to aid relief efforts, and they will support the purchase of